As I took it throughout the month, I just noticed I thought a lot more clear. I would just remember things from years ago that I have no right remembering.
Archaeologists even found black seeds in King Tut's tomb, which goes to show their importance in history for healing and protection.
People saying it changed their life, it had such a positive impact.
Blackseed oil, an ancient oil that's extracted from the magical Nigella sativa plant, is celebrated for centuries and known by various names, such as black cumin seed oil, black caraway oil, and kalonji oil. This natural marvel is packed with powerful health benefits, so potent that it could even help beat cancer if properly used. So let's have a glance at blackseed oil and how it can benefit you in your own personal health and well-being. First, let's look back on how this marvelous oil became a wonder in our ancient history. Black seed oil has been used for over 2,000 years. Ancient Egyptians used it as a natural remedy for various ailments. It is said that Cleopatra herself used this amazing oil for its beauty and health benefits, while a bottle of the oil was found in the tomb of Pharaoh Tutankhamun, underscoring its historical importance. Nutritional components. So what really makes black seed oil very known for being a wonder to the body? Well, black seed oil is packed with nutrients, rich in essential fatty acids, including omega-3 and omega-6, which are crucial for maintaining overall health. Additionally, it contains vitamins such as A, B, and C, along with minerals like calcium, potassium, and magnesium. This nutrient-dense profile supports various bodily functions and enhances overall well-being. Now that we know its rich elements that makes it very healthy, it's about time to uncover what are the amazing benefits that black seed oil makes to our body. 1. Boosts immune system. One of the standout benefits of black seed oil is its capacity to boost the immune system. Black seed oil is rich in antioxidants, especially thymoquinone, which plays a crucial role in protecting cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. This potent compound enhances the body's immune response by stimulating the activity of immune cells like macrophages and lymphocytes, essential for fighting infections and diseases. Regular consumption of black seed oil can help maintain a robust immune system, making it easier to fend off common illnesses such as colds and flu. So why not add a boost to your day with just 1 teaspoon of black seed oil? Take it straight, or mix it with honey or juice. It's that easy. This little daily habit can give your immunity a significant lift. Cheers to feeling your best. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a common underlying factor in many serious health conditions, including arthritis, heart disease, and cancer. Black seed oil's powerful anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective natural remedy for reducing inflammation and associated pain. The anti-inflammatory effects are primarily due to thymoquinone, which inhibits the production of inflammatory mediators in the body. By reducing the levels of these mediators, black seed oil helps decrease inflammation and pain. For those suffering from conditions like rheumatoid arthritis, black seed oil can serve as a natural alternative to conventional anti-inflammatory medications. You can take it by the teaspoon or apply it directly to inflamed areas. Many users rave about how much better they feel, reporting less pain and more mobility after adding black seed oil to their routine. Give it a try and feel the difference. 3. Supports digestive health. Digestive issues, ranging from mild discomfort to severe conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, can significantly impact quality of life. Black seed oil has been traditionally used to support digestive health and alleviate various gastrointestinal problems. Acting as a carminative, black seed oil helps relieve gas and bloating. Its antimicrobial properties can help balance the gut microbiome by combating harmful bacteria, while its soothing effects on the stomach and intestinal lining reduce symptoms of indigestion. Taking a teaspoon of black seed oil before meals can prepare your digestive system for processing food more efficiently. Many people find that regular use of this substance brings sweet relief, enhancing overall digestive comfort. Say goodbye to bloating, gas, and indigestion, and feel the difference in your tummy. 4. Enhances skin health. Black seed oil is a potent remedy for a variety of skin conditions. thanks to its anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and moisturizing properties. It can help soothe inflammation and irritation in conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis. The oil's antimicrobial properties combat the bacteria that contribute to acne, while its rich content of fatty acids nourishes and hydrates the skin. Regular use of black seed oil can lead to clearer, more radiant skin and help reduce the appearance of scars and blemishes. Give your skin a treat with black seed oil. Mix it with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba and apply it to affected areas for soothing relief. You can also add it to your homemade skincare products like masks and lotions for a natural, healthy glow. Get ready to pamper your skin the natural way. 5. Promotes hair growth. Hair loss and thinning can be distressing issues, but black seed oil offers a natural solution for promoting hair growth and maintaining healthy hair. The oil's nutrients, including essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, nourish hair follicles and strengthen hair strands. Its anti-inflammatory properties help maintain a healthy scalp, reducing issues like dandruff and scalp irritation that can impede hair growth. Regular scalp massages with black seed oil can stimulate hair follicles and promote thicker, shinier hair over time. Give your hair the royal treatment. Massage luxurious black seed oil into your scalp and strands, then let it work its magic for at least 30 minutes. Not only will it turbocharge hair growth, but it'll also give your locks a fabulous deep conditioning session. See the difference and get ready to shine. 6. Regulates blood sugar levels. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for preventing and controlling diabetes. Black seed oil has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Thymoquinone, the active compound in black seed oil, enhances insulin sensitivity and reduces blood glucose levels. This helps in better management of blood sugar levels and can prevent the spikes and crashes associated with diabetes. Taking black seed oil regularly can be an effective natural strategy for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have diabetes or are taking medications. 7. Supports respiratory health. Black seed oil has been traditionally used to support respiratory health, offering relief from conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and allergies. Its anti-inflammatory and bronchodilatory properties help open airways and reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract. Thymoquinone plays a crucial role in alleviating respiratory symptoms by reducing the production of inflammatory mediators that cause bronchial inflammation. This can help improve breathing and reduce the frequency and severity of asthma attacks. Inhaling the vapor of black seed oil or taking it orally can provide relief from respiratory issues. Many users rave about how regularly using black seed oil makes breathing a breeze and eases those pesky respiratory symptoms. Precautions and side effects. Black seed oil is generally safe for most people, but a few might experience allergic reactions. To keep things fun and worry-free, do a quick patch test before slathering it on. If you notice any itching, redness, or swelling, stop using it right away. Also, black seed oil can interact with certain medications, like blood thinners and diabetes meds. If you're on any prescription meds, have a chat with your healthcare provider before adding black seed oil to your routine to keep things running smoothly. For our pregnant and breastfeeding friends, a little caution goes a long way. While small amounts are usually safe, it's best to consult a healthcare professional before using black seed oil during pregnancy or nursing. Stay safe and enjoy the benefits. Black seed oil is a powerful natural remedy with a rich history and a multitude of health benefits. From supporting the immune system and promoting cardiovascular health to enhancing skin and hair, this versatile oil has earned its reputation as the seed of blessing. However, like any supplement, it should be used responsibly and in consultation with a healthcare provider, especially for those with pre-existing conditions or who are taking medications. So what are you waiting for? Add a splash of black seed oil to your wellness routine, experience its magic, and unleash a natural surge of vitality and well-being. Have you tried incorporating blackseed oil into your daily routine? If so, share with us your experiences and its results in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, then make sure to check out the next one shown on screen.